Write a program to generate following different series. So in comment line we will write it first. We have to generate these series. First is all even numbers. Then second is all odd numbers. Third series is raised to 2, that is 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2, 4 raised to 2, and fourth series is raised to cube, that is 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, etc. up to n, that is the number inputted by the user. So I'll create a class print series and I will create a method even series first, which will accept n as a parameter which will be inputted by the user. Here I will use for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. And here I will check n mod 2 is equal to 0, that is the number is even. So if n mod 2 equals 0, console.writeLine I plus. Now we will print odd series. So public void odd series with parameter n. Here also we will use for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. Here we will check number is odd. So with if statement, if I mod 2 not equal to 0, then it will print the value of I. And I will concatenate with space. Now third series is 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2 and 4 raised to 2. And fourth series is 2 cube, 3 cube and 4 cube. Here we will write a method for exponential. Now we will write a method exponent. So public, which will return integer value exponent with parameter number and the exponent value. I will declare a variable exponent which is initialized with number. I will use while loop while e greater than 1. I will calculate exponent equal to exponent into number and e minus minus, and I will return value of exponent. Now we will write a method for finding the square series. So public void. Now we will write a method for finding square series. So public void exponential 2 with integer n. Now we will write a method for square series. So public void square series with parameter n. Here I will write in console.writeLine square series. I will use for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus, and here I will print the series. So console.write 0 exponential 1 equal to 2, and I will pass the values as I, that is the number. Then we are going to find the square, so 2, and here I will call the method that we have written exponent with value I and 2. Now we will write method for cube series. Here I will write cube series, and here I will pass the parameter 3 for finding the cube. And in main method we will declare a variable which will accept the integer from user. In n we will accept it using convert dot method. We will create object print series, and we will execute methods written in class, and I will pass the value of n as a parameter. We will use here write statement, so it will print in the same line, and after completing this for loop I will use write line. When I execute it, I will enter value 8. It will print first series 2, 4, 6, 8, then 1, 3, 5, 7. Then it will print square series. Since it is on same line, I will print it on new line. So I will use write line method here, and when I execute, it will print the series. So first series is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that is even numbers. Next is 1, 3, 5, 7, that is odd numbers. Then square series 1 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2, and then cube series.